Live UFO sighting, Dubai. During the globally televised New Year's Eve celebration in Dubai, millions of viewers tuned in to watch the fireworks show aired live by local news. As the camera panned across the skyline, something unexpected happened. A strange glowing object streaked through the frame at high speed, clearly visible against the backdrop of night sky and fireworks. It was brief, but enough for viewers to notice and replay. Some users also witnessed it live. The object appeared to enter from the upper left section of the screen and moved across the frame horizontally at extreme velocity. Viewers on social media quickly pointed out that it was neither a firework nor a drone. Its speed, straight trajectory, and lack of trail set it apart. Fireworks explode. Drones hover or glide. This object did neither. It didn't blink, curve, or flicker. It just zipped silently and smoothly through the scene. The footage is now being dissected frame by online analysts. Some suggest it may have been a meteor, though no glow, tail, or atmospheric burnup was visible. Others propose it could have been a surveillance or military object, but again, no lights, sound, or follow-up report was issued. The local news channel has not commented on the incident. There was no mention of the object during or after the broadcast. No official statements from Dubai's airspace authorities or any known flight tracking services. Just a clean, unexplained moment, captured live, and then gone in less than a second. As the clip spreads online, people are asking, if something truly unidentified can appear on a major live broadcast without explanation, how often does it happen when no one's watching? Coincidence? Or just good timing? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Reflective UFO encountered over Mojave, California. While driving along a road near Mojave, California, on December 26, 2025, a person encountered something that forced him to start recording the incident. A mysterious object, described as highly reflective, stood out against the sky due to the way it caught and redirected sunlight. According to the report, the unidentified aerial phenomena appeared to glide smoothly above the clouds, with no visible wings, propellers, or exhaust. The observer noted that the object would sometimes vanish into the clouds, then reappear, reflecting bright sunlight off its surface. Its shape was difficult to define due to the glare, but it did not match the profile of any known aircraft. There was no sound accompanying the sighting, and the object didn't follow a clear flight path. Instead, it seemed to shift slightly in direction as it moved within the clouds, at times hovering or drifting, then continuing forward. The reflective quality of the object was what stood out most, with its surface momentarily gleaming as it passed through openings in the cloud cover. The absence of typical aircraft features, such as wings or contrails, along with its erratic movement and high reflectivity, has led some to suggest the possibility of an unconventional aerial object. Given the Mojave region's proximity to restricted airspace and known aerospace activity, there is speculation that this could be a test vehicle or experimental craft. However, the lack of any formal acknowledgement or visual markers linking it to human technology keeps the object's identity uncertain. For now, it remains an open case of an unidentified reflective object in the skies above the California desert. UFO sighting over St. Kilda. On December 18, 2025, a strange sighting was recorded in the sky over St. Kilda, a coastal suburb in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. The video initially appears slightly blurred, reportedly due to a sunscreen smudge on the camera lens. However, as the witness zooms in and refocuses, the shape becomes clearer, revealing a shiny, disc-like object hovering in the sky. The footage was shared online, adding to the growing collection of UAP sightings from around the world. In the footage, the object appears to have a solid metallic surface, reflecting the sunlight as it maintains a steady position in the air. Despite the movement of clouds and changing light, the object does not show any visible wings, propellers, or signs of propulsion. Some frames even show a more cylindrical or capsule-like outline as the angle shifts, but the most consistent shape across the clip is a disc, matching traditional flying saucer descriptions from earlier decades. The person recording the video can be heard questioning what they're seeing, expressing genuine surprise. The UAP doesn't emit sound or vapor trails, and no other aircraft were seen in the vicinity at the time. It seems to move slowly but precisely, keeping altitude before eventually vanishing from the frame. The footage has since sparked significant conversation in online forums and UFO research communities. As always, there are multiple possible explanations being debated. Some commenters suggest it could be a reflective balloon or drone, though most drones do not maintain that kind of silent, stationary hover at such altitude or reflect light in that manner. Others note the similarity of the object to other sightings around the world, particularly those that also appear in clear daytime skies and resemble metallic discs or cylindrical craft. The mention of disclosure, asking governments or agencies to reveal more information about unexplained aerial phenomena, was brought up again in discussions around this footage. With sightings like these becoming more frequent and better documented, the St. Kilda incident raises the same old question with fresh urgency. If these objects aren't ours, then whose are they? UFO captured from passenger window. In 2008, aboard a Scandinavian Airlines flight cruising above the clouds, a child casually playing with a camcorder unintentionally captured one of the most compelling UFO clips to date. There was no search effort involved, no intent to document anything unusual. The child was simply recording through the window, while their parents were unaware of what the lens was about to pick up. In the footage, several luminous orbs appear outside the plane. The lights are bright, spherical, and remain stationary for a few moments before subtly shifting in formation. Unlike reflections or internal light glare, these orbs seem to maintain fixed positions relative to the sky, not the plane's movements or the angle of the window. They don't match the appearance of any known aircraft, nor do they resemble conventional drones or atmospheric reflections. No one else on the flight reported seeing the lights, which raises even more questions. The notable detail is the angle and height. From a cruising altitude, any visual anomaly near the plane should theoretically be noticeable by more passengers. But in this case, only the child recorded them. The lights display a faint glow but leave no trails or signs of propulsion. What makes this footage stand out isn't just the clarity or the altitude. It's the unintentional nature of the recording. This incident has become a key example cited in discussions of the perceiver effect, the idea that unidentified aerial phenomena may only appear to certain observers, often children or individuals with no conscious expectation of seeing something unusual. In such cases, the observer doesn't seek the event finds the observer. Could the child's open curiosity and lack of expectation have been what allowed the moment to unfold? Or was it a complete coincidence, a random alignment of light and angle? Whatever the explanation, this clip continues to circulate among UFO analysts as one of the more curious, and oddly pure, captures of the modern era. Mysterious orb hovers over Palm Desert. A peculiar sighting was captured in the clear daylight sky above Palm Desert, California. Against the striking backdrop of snow-capped mountains, a dark orb-shaped object appeared to hover silently in the open air. The images, taken by an observer parked in the desert area, show a smooth spherical object with reflective surfaces, noticeably dark with lighter highlights from sunlight. The object did not display any typical features of conventional aircraft, no visible rotors, wings, or propulsion system. In the clearer shots, it appears slightly metallic with a sheen that suggests either a synthetic or composite surface. While its shape resembled that of a balloon or blimp, it maintained a stable position in the sky for an unusual amount of time without drifting noticeably. That alone ruled out normal wind-borne objects for some viewers. Local residents and online commenters were divided. Some argued the object was likely man-made, perhaps a drone balloon or an unconventional advertising blimp. Others raised more curious points. Multiple witnesses, according to early reports, claimed they could make out what looked like a window or transparent section on the orb. A few even insisted they saw movement or silhouettes inside the object. This has raised a common question in UFO sightings. If it's man-made, why isn't it identified or traced? There were no reports of authorized drone activity, and no blimp companies have confirmed operations in the area. The apparent window and high-altitude hovering have added weight to more speculative interpretations. Could this be an experimental platform, surveillance craft, or something entirely unregistered? Or are our minds simply searching for meaning in an unidentified shape against the vast sky? As always, no conclusions have been drawn, just more questions left hovering. Just before I move to the next point, if you are new here and enjoy mysterious, unexplained UFO sightings, then do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video. Changing shapes. On the afternoon of December 31st, 2025, New Year's Eve, a resident near Tacoma, Washington reported a strange object hovering silently near their home. The object was described as dark in color and irregular in shape, with subtle shifts in appearance as it moved against a clear blue sky. The witness initially noticed it when stepping outside and began filming after observing that the object did not resemble any known aircraft or typical aerial phenomena. According to the footage, the object appeared to float steadily at mid-altitude without making any sound. Unlike balloons or drones, which often show signs of drift or propulsion, this object remained steady for several seconds, then slowly rotated and shifted orientation while maintaining its position. At times it looked almost rectangular, and at other angles more rounded, suggesting a three-dimensional asymmetrical form. The witness reportedly used a smartphone camera with optical zoom to capture clearer images as the object continued to hover. A second witness in the area also confirmed seeing the same object and noted its unusual shape. Throughout the event, no blinking lights, wings, rotors, or contrails were observed. The object eventually drifted upward and away until it became difficult to track with the naked eye. Given the day and time, New Year's Eve, some viewers initially speculated the object could be a loose party balloon or promotional drone. However, the eyewitness assured it was nothing like that, and that he could actually see it clearly and didn't appear to be New Year's celebration balloons. Others also pointed out the lack of movement typical of wind-borne objects and the absence of a string or tail. Its consistent altitude and stable hovering raised questions about whether it was manually controlled or something else entirely. No official explanation has been given so far. The footage is now circulating online, with several users calling for atmospheric analysts and aviation experts to weigh in. As with many UAP sightings, the event sits at the boundary between misidentified aerial objects and something potentially unexplained. Whether it was a creative balloon, a surveillance drone, or something not yet categorized, this incident adds another case to the growing list of New Year sightings worldwide. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more interesting, mysterious videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to watch new videos.